that you had left. No, it couldn't be true. When I think of angels, I think of you. Godspeed to you, angel, wherever you go. Although you have left, I want you to know my heart's full of sorrow. I won't let it show. I see